The workspace is an area where you can store queries, concepts, and results to easily reuse or refer to. Drag an individual concept to the workspace that you frequently use when constructing queries to make it easier to access. You can also drag a query that you've already executed into the workspace. Adding a previous query to your workspace will make it easy to find for repeated use or reference. As with any previous query, this is a convenient way to store queries that you might want to rerun or modify. To rename queries for clarity, right-click on an item and select Rename. You can also right-click on an existing folder and select New Folder to add new folders and subfolders. Creating multiple folders and subfolders can help organize frequently used concepts, patient results, and favorite queries so they are all easy to find.